Yeah, so the first case study is, and Mark, you can actually go ahead and jump to the next one.
Yep.
There you go. Yep. They needed a centralized management for their Cisco system. They were not only on Call Manager, they were on WebXMT. They have WebEx Contact Center, and they need to be able to actually very simply kind of take all these various different platforms, kind of look at them all in a single pane of glass, and actually be able to look at them, be able to make changes very, very quickly. So we'll go ahead and kind of show you just real quickly what this looks like to how we can actually run through this and actually how this actually would work, what you'd see on a day-to-day basis, what your engineers or help desk might actually see is the one actually want to do this. So straight from the front page, it's basically going to show you all of your users, where everything's at, where users are actually at. We're going to actually just click on first, and we're going to be looking at our Active Directory first, or these are our users first. It's actually going to have where they're actually at. You're going to see you do have your WebEx users, your Call Manager users and Contact Center users all blended together, kind of all in one location. So now if I just want to actually go in and modify this pre-existing user and see if they're going to go and be the same thing, if I want to move them actually from either being an Entra ID user only because they're connected to Microsoft first, I just go ahead and change their package. That's it. The package is going to be assigned with all the features and functions they actually need to have. So in this case, we're going to be actually adding them in with a Cisco phone, with a line. Lines are actually going to be predefined. No more spreadsheets. We've actually imported it in, so there's no more, oh, do I have to call the number to find out if it's actually in use? No, we actually take care of it for you. So we take care of this one. Actually, also we're going to be adding in Teams into the exact same into the same profile, all in one step. So you're not necessarily having to leave and go out to Teams Admin Center after you've already done all of your work in Call Manager as well. And that's it. And we've saved it. So now this user has actually been updated, has all of their actual usage information actually in there. Everything is ready to go for both Teams and Cisco. It's been called out to everyone.